Hey guys, Nick with the Mic Loop. Just want to touch base with you guys real quick on an unboxing video I'm going to be doing here. I received a package from AlienGear Holsters. They actually reached out and contacted us about reviewing a duty holster they have, their Rapid Force duty holster. And today we're just going to open the box, take a look at it, and there'll be a more comprehensive review later on in the coming weeks once I have a chance to check it out. But I'm pretty excited about it, so let's get right down to it. Looks like let's give them some information. Got a letter from them, I guess, explaining the story of the company. So looks like what we have is the holster in this packaging, Rapid Force. I requested them to send me one with a mid-ride belt mount and a basket weave pattern, because that's what my department uses, with a light attachment. And this one looks like it has an RMR compatibility as well. Our duty pistols don't have RMR, but still yet I'm sure it'll work just fine. So let's open this thing up, see what we got, see how it works. So looks like what's in this bag is a myriad of attachments. I guess we'll get into that's a user guide, and it looks like it has different thumb attachments, probably for different lengths. Alright, so if you're not familiar with the Rapid Force deployment, looks like it has a button. You press down, it drops the hood and the RMR cover, and then a thumb swipe to release the pistol. So let's check, see how this works. Alright. Okay, right off the bat, we got a pretty solid retention. That's in there. So drop the hood, and with the swipe of the thumb, it comes out very easily. So solid lock. Oh man, that thing's locked in there good. So thumb drive forward, down, thumb swipe, gun comes up. So looking at this right off the bat, it looks like you have a couple of options to adjust the cant of the ride, which I know you guys are like me. You guys sought alternate options about fixing the cant of the Safariland holsters. I know Foxtrot Kilo companies who I've used in the past to get the UBL mount, the universal belt loop mount, to where it gets rid of the cant of the holster. And it looks like the AlienGear, they've accounted for that, and you can adjust either a positive or a negative cant or a neutral cant on that. And it would appear that the belt slide mount is adjustable for probably up to a 2-inch belt. So I'm looking forward to trying this out. It's going to be pretty exciting, and we'll have more for it on this holster in the coming weeks, so stay tuned, stay safe.